Collie Smith Drive in Kingston was named after O'Neill Gordon Smith, also known as Collie. He was from Boys Town and was born May 5, 1933. He was a renowned international cricketer and a member of the West Indies team. Smith was highly regarded for his hard-hitting batting skills and off-spin bowling techniques. Collie Smith became a cricket sensation at a young age. He was really good at the game and quickly caught the attention of selectors. He started playing for Jamaica when he was only 17 years old. His impressive start to his career saw him score a century on his Test debut, which is a remarkable achievement for any player. However, despite his early success, he faced a setback when he was dropped from the team. But he didn't give up and worked hard to make a comeback. And when he did, he proved his worth once again by scoring 2 more centuries against England. His excellent performances didn't go unnoticed, and he was recognized as one of the Wisden Cricketers of the Year in 1957. This is a prestigious award given to cricketers who have made significant contributions to the game during the previous year. His success wasn't limited to batting alone. He also proved to be a valuable asset to the team with his bowling skills. He performed exceptionally well in matches against Pakistan and India, taking wickets and scoring runs, demonstrating his versatility as a player. In 1959, cricketer Collie Smith set a league record in the Lancashire League. In 1959 he died at the age of 26 in a car accident while travelling to a charity match with his West Indian teammates Gary Sobers and Tom Dewdney. Smith was sleeping in the back seat and sustained serious spinal injuries after the car collided with a 10-ton cattle truck. He died 3 days later without regaining consciousness. Sobers was found guilty of careless driving and fined £10 with £16.17 costs, and had his license suspended for a month. Sobers and Dewdney were not seriously injured, suffering lacerations and bruises. Following his passing, Collie Smith's remains were transported to Jamaica where a massive 60,000 people attended his funeral. His final resting place is in the Maypen Cemetery, marked with a dignified tombstone. The road that runs through his hometown of Trench Town, passing the Boys Town Club, was named Collie Smith Drive in his memory.